In the previous topics, you learned about functions such as len and max that help us in examining data types such as list and tuple. Let's look at three of these built-in functions which can also be used with the dictionary data types. The len function returns the number of key-value pairs in a dictionary. Simply write len and the name of the dictionary in parentheses. The max function returns the value of the key which is either largest or last in alphabetical order. For example, in the dictionary mobiles, the max function will return 1 plus 5t because O comes last among the other keys. In the dictionary numbers, the max function will return 5. The min function is the opposite of max function. It returns the key which is either smallest or first in alphabetical order. So in the dictionary mobiles, the min function will return carbon titanium. You can also delete a key value pair from a dictionary. Python has a keyword called del that can be used for this. To delete a pair, we use its key as a parameter. The same keyword del can be used to delete the dictionary itself. For this, simply type del followed by the dictionary name. Now, if you type the dictionary name at the prompt, you will see a name error. This means the dictionary has been removed from the memory. Another way to delete a key value pair is using the pop method. We use the syntax mobiles.pop and within parentheses the key to be deleted. When we press enter, the value linked with the key is displayed and you can verify if the item is deleted by typing the name of dictionary at the prompt. If you want to wipe the dictionary clean of all elements yet retain the empty object, you can use the clear method. When you verify the dictionary, you will see that it is now empty. So let me recap the three methods for deleting a dictionary item. The first was del, the second was pop, and the third was clear. All three work slightly differently. There are a few other useful methods for working with dictionaries. You can learn about them in the next section.